Dear student, today we will see the exercise 1.1. Let's start the class. Name the property of the following. First one is minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal 1 into minus 4 by 5 equal minus 4 by 5. We have already learned the role of the 1. If we multiply with a rational number or a rational number multiplied with 1, we will get the same answer. It is called 1 is the multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. In the second question, minus 13 by 17 into 2 by 7 equal. In the second question, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. In this question, we have already learned A into B equal B into A. It is called commutativity. It is called commutativity. In the third question, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal 1. We have already learned in multiplicative inverse, if we multiplied a reciprocal of with a number, if we multiplied the reciprocal of a number we will get 1. A by B into B by A equal 1. Here B by A is the reciprocal of A by B. Same way, minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal 1. It is called multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Let's see the question number 2. In this question, they asked, tell the property 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3, 6 into 4 by 3 in a bracket, and the right hand side 1 by 3 into 6 in a bracket into 4 by 3. We have already learned in associativity A into B into C in a bracket equal A into B in a bracket into C. So it is the associativity. The property name will associativity. Associativity will the answer. In the third question, they are given fill in the blanks. The property of two rational number is always a rational number. So rational number is the answer. The product of two rational number is always rational number. Let's take example. If we add 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, we will get 2 1s are 2 and 3 3s are 9. Here 2 by 3 is a rational number and 1 by 3 is a rational number. If we multiplied two rational number, we will get the result 2 by 9 is also a rational number. So the answer, the product of two rational number is always a rational number. You can take more examples for your clarity. Dear student, I hope that all of you are understood the exercise 1.1 in very well. If you enjoyed today's class, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to CBSE Quest. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.